Hello all and welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to do a really little quick and a simple project. So I am going to teach you how to make a cute little potly jute bag. So let's get started. For this you will need a woolen, a crochet and a jute. First we need to tie both the ends of our jute bag. So we are going to do it with a woolen thread and a needle. First sew it up. Because we need to make a base ready, so we will sew it up and take whatever thread you want to sew it. I am here taking a woolen thread only, so that it is not visible when I make a crochet above it. Tie all the ends of the crochet jute bag. So here I have completed it. Now I will make it inside out. So that my stitches won't be visible outside. Okay, so now we are ready to crochet it. Start taking a woolen thread underneath. Take 3 single crochet chain and at an equidistance add into the jute bag. With single crochet. Then again take 3 single chain, add into the jute bag. We need to make a base ready for our jute crochet bag. So this is first step to do it, and continue doing it until all the sides of our jute bag is ready with the base. See how it is looking. Okay, I am ready with my base now. All the side. You can do any side or skip any side you want according to your preference. Now we need to make it look prettier, so we are going to do a pattern. In first hole we need to add a single crochet. Then add double crochet for 3 times in same hole. And then lastly take a single crochet and tie it up and move to next hole with the single crochet. Then add 3 double crochet and 1 last single crochet to make a pattern. Remember, we need to do it on all our whole base. Continue making it 1 single crochet, 3 double crochet and at last 1 single crochet, so that we get a cute curves. And here I have completed all the edges of my jute potly bag. See how pretty it is looking. There is a space inside. And now to give it a look, I have added a thread, colorful thread. Now we need to pass a thread underneath the jute bag. Here I have made a thread by taking a single chain. You can do it either only with thread or take a single chain and make it a long thread to pass underneath the jute. You need to keep a thread outside so that it will help us to tie the knot. Keep equidistance. Once you need to take it from outside the jute bag and inside. Now we are ready, and see how pretty it is looking. You can add any pom-poms to your thread of your choice. And here I am tying a knot and showing you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.